off into
Hey
two
guys,
teams.
today we're gonna be killing Osama bin Laden, and we are Soy Clan.
Everybody to the new Tactical Assault VR map.
Yeah, this is Operation Trident Lightning. Did you spawn NPC? Yep.
Split off into two teams. Other guy,
One down,
go
one
over there.
down.
You guys clear that side. We'll clear this side.
We're looking for a bald man. We're looking for a bald man. We gotta kill him.
Unmask the bald man only when you are
Not immediately.
confirmed to do so.
No, terminate him. He is hostile. He is the terrorist that we're after.
Yo, who's the guy?
Kill
that was supposed to
him,
be
but
with
do
us?
not unmask him until...
Teams of 3. Yo,
Bro,
somebody
yo,
get over
get
here.
over there.
Anybody.
Get over
Anybody.
there.
I'll go.
Anybody. I'll take anybody. Just
Get
not
over here.
2 people clearing that side. Go.
Only
Go.
unmask the bald.
Straight through the front.
Do not unmask Baldy, I repeat, do not unmask the Baldy.
If it's bald, then unmask him.
Not yet.
And
What? Okay.
target is down.
Who
Target is
unmasked
down.
him? Who unmasked him? Who unmasked him? Who did it?
Okay.
Who did it?
Okay, at least first try. I think it was the silent kid.
Who? I'm heading to the exit.
He wanted me to get shot in the face. Give me a second.
Alright, everyone? Oh yeah, he's right there. Let's go. Let's head out.
Dude,
Do not
why did
start
he
the
immediately?
exfiltration process. Don't start it. Don't go near it. Don't go near it. We need alternate.
Where is it? That would start.
Get out of my way, bro. I almost point blank you in the
We
head.
need 2 more teammates at
Please,
expo.
he's right there. Please, move.
We need 2 more teammates at expo.
Everyone
I
at the
repeat,
front.
we need 2 more teammates at expo before we can start. I hear you, Jesus.
Everyone at the front of the stronghold.
Fuck it, let's just start it. Start it at this
We
point.
need 1 more teammate. We're going to start.
Screw it!
extraction
Screw it!
process.
Screw it! Screw it! Just get set.
Extraction
Okay,
process
yo,
has been started.
somebody watch my back. Somebody watch my back. Somebody watch my back.
We'll
Somebody
start
watch
the
my back.
expo process. Switch to
Chopper is
semi-auto.
1 mic out.
Save your ammo.
1 mic.
Yo,
1 mic.
somebody watch my back. Thanks. What are you talking about, one mic?
1 mic until the chopper arrives. Visual on enemy hostile. He went down the ramp. Down the ramp right there.
Copy that, copy that.
Just stay alive. 30 seconds. Chopper should be inbound now. All threats are deemed hostile. Helicopter is landing at the zone. Stand by.
We can see that.
Copy that, copy that.
Good job, team on the mission.